is up? This is the start of my travel vlog. I can't believe I'm saying that. Yes, your girl is traveling, and I'm sure you guys can deduce from the title. I'll be traveling to Jamaica. First time traveling since 2019, actually. October 2019 was the last time I traveled. And today is now what, Wednesday? July 23rd. So I'm working. My flight is on Saturday, and it's a little bit of a surprise because a lot of people don't know that I'm going anywhere, so that's gonna be super fun. I'll get into why it is that I'm going to Jamaica and all that. It'll be very apparent, but I am going alone and meeting some people there. So today is actually the first day of like getting stuff together to travel. Today I'm going to be doing the COVID test at around, I think it's at 1:30, 1:50 or something like that. I'm going to go ahead and do that test, and then hopefully the results come in time for when I need to travel on Saturday. Then on Thursday, tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and do my hair. And then on Friday, I'm going to do my nails, and then I head out on Saturday. So I'm super excited, super pumped. It doesn't look that way because I do have work right now. But I'm excited. It's my first travel vlog. Oh my god. Alright y'all, so if you're interested in my travel vlog and all the things I have planned for next week, it's gonna be great. Please keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. So because tomorrow is when I have to do my hair, I'm gonna have to actually stretch it out. I'm actually gonna be filming a video of how I get my hair prepared for braids. It's gonna be my first time doing these type of braids in decades, y'all. Like, I've only done feed-ins and they were amazing. Love it. Shout out to Mary for doing that for me. But it's time for a change. I want something that'll last longer, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in some braids. Of course, I'm gonna film all that, and we're also gonna be putting some henna, so look out for the video on that, on how I do the whole henna stuff. Henna just really protects your hair. You know, it has a lot of protein and it just strengthens your hair, so I feel like I need to put some henna on before I, you know, put some braids in, because they're gonna be in for a minute. I am on my way to get this I hope you guys can hear me because it's a bit loud here. But yeah, I'm on my way now to go and get the test. I'm super nervous because I know it's like this deep thing where they gotta put deep down into your nose and sometimes your throat, depending. So I completely forgot I had to do all that. But yeah, we're on our way now, and I'm kind of freaking out a bit, but I know it's for the better. Just to let you guys know, I am partially vaccinated, so I didn't do the Pfizer vaccination, but I did it too late, so I couldn't get the second dose. So yeah, that's me. But I'll see you guys when it's time. I'll see if I can record it. If they don't have any issues with me recording the actual process, hopefully I can record it. We're here and we're waiting. I thought the mall would have been open, but it's not. And so this is my mad face. I'm so mad. I wanted to go to H&M and stuff, but I guess it's not open.
So this is just your Life Labs information. They will send you the results through email in 24 to 48 hours. Okay. And there's a contact information on the bottom of the page if you need to connect with them for any reason, okay?
Okay.
Have you done this test before?
No, never.
Okay. So I've got some Q-tip here. Goes in about 1 centimeter. And then swab 15 seconds on both sides, okay?
Okay.
It's very shallow, it's not painful. Okay. I'm just going to ask you to lower the mask, please.
So it'll be in the mouth?
No,
or nose?
Nasal, yeah.
Okay.
Nasal.
So just here?
Yeah.
Is that it?
That's it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Test secured. How did I feel about it? Didn't feel anyhow, really. It was fine. I thought she would have been like down my throat, like until I have to throw up. That's what I thought. It wasn't the case at all. It felt fine at first, because I was like, hey, can I record it? She's like, no. I was like, I won't be recording you, don't worry. So I finally got to record it, and yeah, it wasn't that big of a deal. It was easy going. Hey y'all, I completely forgot I was vlogging, but I just got my hair done. She's about to go upstairs for the hot water to dip my hair because they're a bit stiff, but So far, I'm loving my hair. So it is the next day. It is what? Friday. I'm off today. However, I think I might be doing just a little bit of work, just a little bit. And then I'm off tomorrow, like I'm leaving tomorrow. But the hair is done. I do have to do my nails today. Yeah, I'm doing my nails today. I'm a little anxious. A girl is about to be double messed up tomorrow. Yeah, it's pretty interesting getting ready to catch a flight since I haven't caught one in almost 2 years. And I looked at what I got from Shein, and honestly guys, I don't even think I have anything like in terms of full outfits, like bottoms and stuff. Yeah, I don't think I have that. So I'm gonna go to Urban Outfitters today. Hopefully they're open before I do my nails, and I'll see what I can find in terms of bottoms. All right guys, so I did my nails already, and you know, this is what they're looking like. They look pretty cool. I'll show you guys closer, like the nails and all that. Like, this is what they're looking like. Really, don't get me wrong, I love my nails. The lady that did my nails, she's super nice and was amazing. She did them exactly how I wanted them. What's her name again? Her name is, I can't remember her name. I'm so sorry, but shout out to her. I'll put like all their descriptions right here. It was done by a company called Nail Fuel. You guys should check them out if you're ever in like the Toronto area, Canada. While I was doing my nails, I got a phone call. So I'm like looking at this phone call. It's coming in from WhatsApp. And I'm like, all right, what's up? I answer it because I didn't understand. I didn't recognize their area code. The girl was like, yeah, it is such and such. I'm like, yeah, it is such. And basically, she was calling from the hotel that I booked for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday, the day that I'm traveling, to cancel my reservation, to say that they're all booked up.
What?
So they wouldn't be able to take me. And I'm like, trying to process it while the lady's doing my hand. And I'm like, what is going on? So I was like, okay, but do you know my flight is tomorrow? Like, she's like,
yes, your reservation for tomorrow, we're all booked up.
so I was still processing it, and I was like, okay. And then she's like,
so I just want to apologize and da-da-da.
Then I was like, okay. And then she hung up the phone. Then while I was doing my nails, I was still processing it, and I'm like, yo, my hotel just canceled on me. She's like, what do you mean? No hotel for tomorrow? I said, yeah. She's like,
And you didn't curse them out?
at the time I was processing it, I was like, no way they canceled on me. This doesn't make any sense. Without warning, without anything to say, okay, well, we are going to refer you to such and such, nothing. I'm just canceled out completely. And I'm like, still processing, but I just couldn't understand. And I was like, I couldn't curse the person out while the lady's doing my nails, because then I look crazy. But then I should have really done it, because the lady was like, I would have cursed them out. And I'm like, still processing. It just seems like everything's just going really wrong for this trip, and it's almost as if, you know, someone's telling me, yo, do not go anywhere. Me and Brad were gonna see what I can find. I did eventually call them back, but the manager wasn't there, so I said, can you have the manager call me back, please? And even if she doesn't call me back, I'm gonna call them back and tell them what I have to say, and then also call booking.com and let them know what happened. But it was just the audacity to cancel on me the day before. I've never in my life had that done. But my nails are cute. Yeah, they're cute. It's now time for me to pack. I'm tired. I think it's about 10 o'clock right now, and I've already gone ahead and kind of put things out, laid them out and whatnot. This is what the floor is looking like. Yeah, what I've been doing is kind of like marking out the different outfits that I'm gonna wear, and then from there I'm gonna like put stuff together so I know, okay, what I want to go with what. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna have a hardback case, or a hard case, what's it called, check-in bag, as well as a hardback carry-on. But I'm gonna take this soft bag here because it'll hold more and it's a lot lighter. Pray for me. kind of went well. We decided to use 2 bags, but we're now on our way to the airport. Well, I'm on my way. That's taking me. Did I tell you guys I found a place that I'm gonna stay at? Yeah, found a place. Interesting place. And I'm just waiting for that company to give me a refund, you know? So, I don't know what else to say, guys. Like, we're on our way. Are here. I just got my booster juice, ready to go. We're in the terminal. Well, I'm in the terminal, of course. I met this lovely girl called Candy. She's a trip Miss Extra AF, but I love her. The flight is now boarding, and I don't know if you guys are like me, but I like to travel light in terms of on the plane itself. I don't mind checking in 2 bags and just not having a lot on me because I want to be able to go in last. I don't want to have to rush to get my pulley in a section and all this extra stuff. No, I just want to go in and just, yeah, do my thing. So I'm essentially going in last. Alright, y'all, we made it. Oh my gosh, I'm in the taxi to go to the airport. I said airport. To go to the hotel. It is hot as hell. Granted, I've been to Jamaica before, but only on a cruise, so I don't really count it. But I'm gonna let you guys know my first impression. Alright, y'all, we're in. Oh my god. Listen. 10 out of 10 would recommend this hotel. I look so greasy. Oh my gosh, I need to wash my face and whatnot. But 10 out of 10 would recommend this hotel. Oh my god. So I'm not going to do a tour now because I feel like this vlog has been going a bit too long. Check out the next episode of this vlog. But I am going to share with you my, first impressions coming in through the airport. Because, of course, I've gone through the cruiseway. And this is a little bit different. Well, a lot of bit different. Yeah, first impressions. I have mixed feelings. Landing was good. Like, the pilot did a good job landing the plane and whatnot, and like actually coming up to Jamaica was just breathtaking. You were so close to the water and you could see how clear the water was, the sand. Oh, it was just looking so freaking good. I loved that part. So we landed and then we got in, and honestly I didn't even know where to go most of the time, so I was just following people as normal. We got to like this kiosk thing where you have to like, it's like an immigration kiosk stuff. You have to scan your passport and then the thing will take your picture and whatnot. And my stuff wasn't working. The girl that was there, she was like, I guess, helping out with it. And I'm here telling her, hey, my stuff is not working. She's like, try the other one, try the other one, try the other one. So I keep trying and trying and trying. Try again. Try again. Didn't work. After a while, a lot more people came in, right? So she had to go from one person to the next. So like people were interrupting what she's doing and she's like, I'm with somebody already, give me a second. Or like she was just super aggressive, and I'm like, what the hell is going on? And I found that was a trend going in through like customs, immigrations and whatnot. At one point I was still at that kiosk and this guy who was looking for a pen to fill out the immigration form, he went down a little ways away, and there were like 3 desks down there and there was a box of pens. So he's like, all right, let me get a pen. So he took a pen, and the lady that had to now escort me to the end to sign me in or whatever, she was like,
Sir, where'd you get that pen?
and he's like, oh, I got it on the desk. She's like,
That is someone's personal, private property. You should not be the...
Just very like eating this man, and he was very much apologetic. He wasn't even being aggressive or anything like that, and she was just like going in on him, and she's like, you better put it back. And by then he would have already put it back, but he was like, okay ma'am, I already put it back. She went down and she sat in her seat. Mind you, I'm there the whole time. She sat in her seat and she's like, bright. So her saying bright meaning he's too fast, or like, you know, he took liberty of people's property, or he think he owned the place in a sense. And I was like, what is going on here? So all this time I'm here trying to not be too aggressive or too extra, because I don't want anybody to ball up on me. And when I say ball up, I mean I don't want nobody to shout on me. Because if anybody show up on me, I'm gonna have to tell them about themselves. If anyone shouts on me, I'm gonna have to tell them about themselves. Okay? So I tried to keep it really cool, super chill, and finally got through. At this point, I didn't know how to deal with Jamaicans on a whole. Anyways, now the guy comes and picks me up, and he's super nice. So I finally got here and got to the hotel. I'm staying at the S Hotel Jamaica. I was ready for some more aggressive Jamaicans, right? Like I'm ready. I'm just like, oh, what am I gonna do? So I'm there waiting, and the guy comes and he takes my bags. The bellhop guy takes my bags, and then we're checking in, and he's like, ma'am, if you want, you can wait on this side, and then someone from the front desk will come and see you. I was like, what? I was surprised. I was like, what's all this niceness? Where is it coming from? And he was just so soft-spoken, so sweet, and I was like, got to the front desk. She was super nice. I was like, okay. So it's not necessarily all Jamaicans, because I can also say about Antigua and like other islands, other Caribbean islands, their immigration, customs people, they're super aggressive. I can understand the frustration, but if it is that you don't want to be there,
Don't work there.
if it is that you can't give customer service,
Don't work there.
so I'm gonna end the vlog here. In my next vlog, I'll go over how the hotel looks and like all the room and stuff like that. Right now I need to go and like get my toes done, because you guys don't want to see these toes. Yeah, you don't want to see these toes. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part.